Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we're going to show you some easy and fresh serving tips to make your salad even more vibrant and tasty. Assembly and presentation. A salad that looks as good as it tastes is simple with a few tricks. Here's how to bring it all together. Layer or toss. For a classic style, toss all the prepped ingredients, mango, kani, cucumber, carrots, and dressing, in a bowl until everything is evenly coated. For a more decorative look, arrange the mango, kani, and veggies in rows or piles over a bed of lettuce, then drizzle the dressing over the top. Final touches. Add a sprinkling of sesame seeds, a handful of toasted panko, or a spoonful of tobacco for pop and crunch. Garnish with thinly sliced green onions or nori strips if you want to borrow a cue from Japanese plating. Presentation tips. Use a shallow, wide platter to showcase the bright colors. Serve chilled for the freshest texture. For parties, portion into small bowls or cups for a fun appetizer. Presentation can turn a simple salad into a standout dish. You eat with your eyes first, so let the colors and layers shine. Common mistakes to avoid. Even the easiest salads can go sideways if you rush or overlook the little things. Watch out for these pitfalls. Using overripe mango. Mango that's too soft gets mushy and hard to slice. Pick fruit that feels just slightly firm, skipping the drain. Veggies like cucumber can release a lot of water. After slicing, pat them dry with a paper towel so your salad doesn't turn watery. Drowning in dressing. Add dressing little by little. The salad should be lightly coated, not swimming in sauce. Wrong cutting technique. Make sure to julienne the mango, kani, and veggies so every forkful has the right balance of flavors and textures. Ignoring temperature. A warm salad loses its crisp freshness. Chill your ingredients before assembling and serve right away. A little care in prep and assembly keeps your mango kani salad tasting just like it came from your favorite Japanese restaurant, maybe even better. Continued in next message. Continued from previous message. Nutritional profile and health benefits. Mango Kani Salad doesn't just win on flavor and looks, it brings some surprising perks to the table. The blend of fruits, seafood, crisp veggies, and creamy dressing creates a dish that feels light but still satisfying. Whether you're counting calories or just want to fuel your day with something fresh, this salad strikes a smart balance. Caloric and macronutrient breakdown. The calorie count in Mango Kani Salad is modest, making it a good choice for a light lunch or side. Most servings average between 180 to 250 calories, depending on how much dressing you use and whether you add extras like tobacco or panko. Here's a breakdown of what you're eating in a typical serving. Calories. 180 to 250 kilocalories protein. 7 to 9 grams, mostly from kani fat. 8 to 13 grams, mainly from Japanese mayo carbohydrates. 20 to 28 grams, from mango, veggies, and dressing fiber. 2 to 3 grams, from fruit and vegetables sugars. 13 to 18 grams, largely natural, from mango you get a solid dose of lean protein thanks to kani sticks, imitation crab, which are made from white fish. The salad's carbs come mostly from mango and vegetables, delivering natural energy without heavy starches. The fat in this salad is mainly from mayo, which can be adjusted to fit your needs. Go easy for fewer calories, or use light mayo instead. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Mango Kani Salad supports your health in more ways than you might think. Here's what the main ingredients bring. Mango. Packed with vitamin C, great for your immune system, vitamin A, for eyes and skin, and a host of antioxidants that help with cell repair. Mango also brings folate and small amounts of potassium. Cucumber and carrot offer vitamin K, some vitamin A, and more hydration with each crunchy bite. Carrots add beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Kani, imitation crab. A source of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12. While it doesn't pack as much nutrition as real crab, it's still rich in protein with low saturated fat. Sesame seeds. If you add them, you get a little boost of healthy fats, copper, and magnesium. Antioxidants in mango and crunchy veggies help fight stress in the body. These compounds play a role in preventing cell damage and may lower your risk of some health issues over time. The salad is hydrating too, which helps keep you feeling fresh and ready for your day. Dietary adaptations, vegan, gluten-free options. One big plus. Mango Kani Salad can fit different diets with just a few quick swaps. Vegan. Swap the kani, imitation crab, which contains fish, for strips of marinated tofu or extra veggies like bell pepper. Replace Japanese mayo with a vegan mayo or cashew-based dressing. Gluten-free. Some imitation crab uses wheat in the binding. Look for clearly labeled gluten-free brands or sub-and-cooked shrimp, real crab, or pressed tofu. Use gluten-free soy sauce if adding it to the dressing. Skip panko crunch unless you have gluten-free breadcrumbs. Making these tweaks is easy and keeps all the color, crunch, and sweetness that makes this salad pop. Whether you're plant-based, gluten-sensitive, or simply looking for a light, balanced meal, Mango Kani Salad is easy to customize to your needs. Building your plate with fresh fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and smart fats is always a win, and Mango Kani Salad pulls it off in style. Creative variations and serving ideas. Mango Kani Salad is easy to reinvent with new flavors and presentations. You can turn it into a party favorite, a healthy lunch, or a restaurant-style dish just by tweaking the basics. Here are some ways to make this fresh salad stand out on any table. Fusion flavors, adding spices or fruit. Give your Mango Kani Salad an upgrade with extras that add punch or sweetness. Mixing in a few unexpected ingredients can transform the flavor without much effort. Try these popular twists. Spicy boost. Stir in a drizzle of sriracha, a pinch of chili flakes, or fresh jalapeno slices for a kick. Sriracha mayo adds heat and creaminess that plays well with the cool crunch of cucumber. Citrus zing. Add segments of orange, grapefruit, or a squeeze of lime to brighten each bite. Citrus fruit helps cut through the creaminess and makes the salad extra refreshing, especially in summer. Tropical swaps. Swap out mango for pineapple, papaya, or even kiwi for a different kind of sweetness. These tropical fruits mix well with the kani and bring even more color to your bowl. Asian flavors. Sprinkle in chopped cilantro, mint, or Thai basil. For an umami hit, blend in a splash of ponzu sauce or a scatter of pickled ginger. Seeds or nuts. Add toasted cashews, slivered almonds, or pumpkin seeds for nutty crunch and richer flavor, great for adding texture if you skip panko. These tweaks bring both new taste and eye appeal, making the salad more exciting with each variation. Try a few and see which combo becomes your favorite. Portioning for parties or bento lunches. Mango Kani Salad adapts to every occasion, whether you want to impress party guests or pack a healthy meal. The way you serve it can change the vibe completely. Appetizer cups. Portion the salad into small glass cups, shot glasses, or Asian soup spoons. They're easy to eat with a fork or even chopsticks, and look great on a buffet table. Bento lunches. Pack Mango Kani Salad in a bento box with an ice pack. It holds up well if you separate the dressing until lunchtime. Include fresh edamame, steamed rice, or fruit for a full meal. Family-style platter. Arrange the salad on a wide serving tray with lettuce leaves on the side. Let everyone scoop out their own portion, perfect for sharing. Mini rolls or wraps. Spoon the salad into rice paper wraps or lettuce leaves for quick, handheld bites. These rolls are fun for kids and adults alike and make lunch feel special. Using the right serving style lets you customize the salad to fit your plans, from casual snacks to special events. Pairing suggestions, complimentary dishes and drinks. Mango Kani Salad doesn't like to steal the show, it pairs well with many main dishes and drinks. Here's how to round out your meal. Best matches for main dishes. Sushi rolls, sashimi, or nigiri, light tempura, shrimp, veggies, teriyaki chicken, salmon, or tofu, cold soba noodles or simple ramen, grilled seafood skewers, sides that work well. Steamed edamame, seaweed salad, miso soup, rice bowls. Drink pairings to consider. Green tea, hot or iced for a clean finish. Crisp white wine like Sauvignon Blanc or Riesling cold sake. Refreshing sparkling water with a twist of lime with creamy, sweet, and tangy notes. Mango Kani Salad balances out salty, fried, or spicy foods and feels right at home with lighter Japanese fare. Thank you for watching.